Hey, what's going on? Today I got this Nintendo Switch Pro controller from EasySMX. If you've seen some of my videos before, I reviewed some of their headsets, which are dope. This right here, I got this for my Nintendo Switch, but as you can see, it does work on your PC. And I believe this right here is for either mobile or Xbox. Now, I've already set this up, but let's open it up and take a look what's in the box. Packaging is cool. All right, so you got a USB Type-C, which is dope. That'll plug right into your Switch to sync up. I'll check it out. They got like 4 different options, actually 5. You can see here, it's the one I got. I'll let my kids pick this one out. What's on the box does not necessarily represent what's actually inside, but that's cool though. Feel, grip is perfect. I mean, it is almost spot on for the standard Pro controller. I had no problem syncing it. Battery life is great. Played for about 3-4 hours. The Nintendo Switch does actually view the battery status. So as you play, you will see your battery bars go down, which will give you a pretty good indicator of when you need to plug it back in. Like I said, lightweight, very springy on the ZR buttons. You do have your standard home button. You got your picture capture, video capture buttons, select, start. Super easy to use. Rechargeable, which is dope. No silly battery packs. You can use it in wired or wireless. All the buttons feel great, very tactile. Awesome controller for the price. I mean, for under 35 bucks to get a Switch Pro controller, I mean, I could let my kids use this and not have to worry about them ruining my premium controller. But you know what? This is pretty much a premium controller. Solid build, not plastic nonsense. Definitely feels like it's more like an ABS. Feels great, great in the hands, and I have big hands as well. Definitely a good pickup. Check it out.